Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Toronto Airport and I'm going to be taking an Air Canada service to Amsterdam. I'm pretty excited about this journey as this one is my first international flight with Air Canada, so I'm really pretty curious how they operate during those tough times at the moment. Right now we are just going to our gate, which will be E34 for today, and waiting till our plane to Amsterdam will be ready. Before we're going to the KLM lounge to chill a bit before our flight. So let's go to the lounge.
Toronto Airport was quite busy this evening, which is quite unusual as since the beginning of the pandemic in 2020, this is the busiest airport I've seen at that time. And Toronto Airport is huge as well, so the distance between our arrival gate and our departure gate was quite a lot. Its design is quite modern and I liked it a lot. As you can see right here, we are coming up to a staircase and this is pretty awesome to see. The route to our departure gate seemed endless, so I was quite lucky that we had enough time for our stop over here in Toronto.
Going from a domestic flight with Air Canada to the international flight departure lounge is quite a ways to go, so make sure you have enough time for your connection. We're already walking around 15 minutes from the D gates to the E and F gates, where the connecting flights to the US and as well the rest of the world will depart from.
As our flight was quite busy tonight, the queue for boarding was quite intense and it took us over 30 minutes to get on board. Our ride today was a Boeing 787 Dreamliner from Air Canada, and I was very curious to see how Boeing is operating in this top segment with the Dreamliner, as this is my first flight on the Dreamliner ever. So we'll see how the flight is going to turn out, but first of all, now let's get on board and find our seat. And the short bomber before boarding as well. Same problem like on the first leg of our journey from Calgary to Toronto. My seat booking didn't went through, so I was stuck in an L seat as well. And let's don't forget the tip to the outside of the plane for a charm, as I do always. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this flight with Air Canada from Toronto to Amsterdam. We are in the final preparation for takeoff, so please sit back, relax and enjoy the flight with us to Amsterdam. First of all, the legroom of Boeing 787 Dreamliner from Air Canada seemed okay, so I gave it a thumbs up, but my opinion will change here. Before takeoff, we were given a hygiene kit so that every passenger can sanitize the seats and the tray table in front of himself, which is quite a cool touch. They gave us a mask as well, and as well as some hygiene gel so that you can sanitize your hands after using the washroom. Bonjour et bienvenue à bord de Air Canada. Nous souhaitons un agréable vol.
Please place baggage in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Veuillez ranger vos bagages dans le coffre supérieur ou sous le siège devant vous.
Cover your mouth and nose and breathe normally. Always secure your own mask before assisting another person.
Un masque avant d'aider quelqu'un.
If there is an emergency landing on water, reach for the pouch under the seat or beside your leg rest. Remove the elastic band if required.
En cas d'amérissage d'urgence,
Concerns, please let one of us know.
si vous avez une inquiétude ou besoin d'aide, adressez-vous à l'un de nous.
Thank you for choosing to fly with Air Canada.
Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada.
In a place you thought you knew, you could just be you, and that's all you need to be. When you say goodbye, it's like saying bye to family. That's when you know it's a journey, and it's just beginning, and it will continue long after you return home.
The cabin lights were darkened for takeoff, and shortly we have been on cruising altitudes. The entertainment system of Air Canada was really good. There was a good selection of movies, TV shows, music, games, and as well some documentaries were available. Only one thing that bothered a bit is that when you go onto the flight map, it took quite a while for the system to load it, but as soon as it was loaded, it was quite the best flight map I ever had. You were able to just rotate the globe just like the way you wanted with your fingers, so this is a cool plus that I would like to see in other planes as well. So yes, Air Canada, this one you got right. Pretty soon after our departure from Toronto, our meal service was brought to us, but the cabin lights were still so dark that you really could not see anything what you got. We got pasta, by the way.
So everybody, we are right now 3 hours and 40 minutes into the flight to Amsterdam, and so far this flight is pretty smooth. There were some bumps at the beginning, but after that it's all smooth sailing over the Atlantic Ocean. So we have now 2 hours and 45 minutes to go to Amsterdam, and so for the flight with Air Canada is great. The crew is absolutely perfect, very charming,
About 2 hours before landing in Amsterdam, the sun joined us, so as my seat neighbor was on the bathroom break, I was able to do a couple of clips to show you as well the horizon and the cloud-covered ocean beneath us. We are right now over the Atlantic Ocean and coming inbound to Netherlands. Ladies and gentlemen, we are descending into Amsterdam, so please make sure that your seat is in an upright position, your tray table is folded away and the window blinds are fully open. Larger electronic devices, such as laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your hand baggage. Small electronic devices, just like tablets and smartphones, can be held in your hands. The cabin crew is now going once again for a final check through the cabin, so please make sure your seatbelt is as well fastened. Hello to Amsterdam, everybody. After about a 7-hour flight from Toronto in Canada, we landed safely on Schiphol Airport. To sum up the experience with the 787 Dreamliner of Air Canada, it was not comfortable at all, and to be honest, even Ryanair has more legroom than this plane. But the crew was lovely and they treated us very good, so this is a great plus. So I won't say that this was a bad flight, it was not the most comfortable one I had so far. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please like it if this is the kind of video you like, and let's grow this channel into a bigger community by clicking on my face at the end of the video on the left side of the screen. So there's nothing else to say then. Until next time, just keep on exploring.